I do believe this is new old stock. Why am I quote-unquote whispering? It's early in the morning, and I'm bored. So let's take it out. Power supply, remote, in the box itself. If I like it good enough, it'll replace the insignia that I have. I prefer those, even though they're composite at best. Good quality, good tuner, made by LG, and they lasted, which is surprising for lousy garbage made in China. Anyway, I had to replace the cap in the power supply that went bad. It bulged, and the unit wouldn't stay on. When you plug it in, the red light would go out. Let's get it out of the box now. Ooh, Nova Cell batteries. Rather skinny coax cable. Here's the remote. Who's at a major store? Or major, whatever. How do you request a coupon? Well, you can't anymore. Like the other one. It's composite at best. But I don't care because I have a lot of these. And I own a lot of these because I like to watch standard definition video content. Later, we will void the warranty seal. Let's do it right now. Take a look inside. I don't have a cameraman. I edit all my videos, that's why they're crappy. Let's break the seal. Oh, that was too easy. The tuner's made by Sanyo. Got an Ollie audio processor. Button pressing ASMR. Some memory. Ooh, Evercon capacitors. What are these ones? Same brand. 105C, it's good. Almost said, where's the power supply? It's external. The top part, which is ABS plastic, was manufactured May 2008. Anyway, I'm going to put the screws... How come there's no feet in the back? Huh. Anyway, I'm going to put the screws back in. It's like a knocking outside. Anyway, let's put the shade back on. Here's the remote. Ooh, it has the Republic of Health and Safety sticker on it. It's a joke, obviously. Yep. Here's the cable. Coaxial. Even though it's spelled coaxial. It's whatever. Power supply is made in China. Center positive. Risk of electric shock. Indoor dry location use only. Sino-American. Looks like a May 08 date code. Which would coincide with the date on the bottom of the top of the lid of the device.